Introducing the 2023 Hyundai Elantra. This energetic and feature-packed Elantra delivers the style and convenience you need to make driving a soothing part of your busy day. From its sculpted modern looks to its refined ride and tech-savvy approach to safety and infotainment, this compact sedan represents an exceptional value. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, electronic stability control, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows. Feel the good energy that permeates this innovative Elantra. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.